Ever wondered if you can use Paysafe without a credit card? It's a common question, and today, we're diving deep into it. Paysafe is a popular online payment method offering convenience and security. But what about those who don't have a credit card? Let's find out. Section 1. Understanding Paysafe. What is Paysafe? Briefly explain Paysafe's role as a digital wallet. How Paysafe works, outline the basic steps of using Paysafe for online transactions. Paysafe's advantages, highlight the benefits of using Paysafe, such as security, convenience, and global acceptance. Section 2. The credit card question. Direct answer: no, you don't necessarily need a credit card to use Paysafe. Alternative payment methods, explore other options like prepaid cards, debit cards, and bank transfers. Paysafe cards, introduce Paysafe cards as a specific option for those without credit cards. Paysafe card benefits, discuss the advantages of Paysafe cards, such as flexibility and control. Section 3. How to use Paysafe without a credit card. Step-by-step guide, provide clear instructions on how to set up a Paysafe account using alternative payment methods. Funding your account, explain how to add funds to your Paysafe account using different options. Making payments, demonstrate how to use Paysafe to make online purchases. Section 4. Paysafe security measures. Data protection, discuss Paysafe security features and how they protect user data. Fraud prevention, explain the measures Paysafe takes to prevent fraudulent activities. Safe online shopping, emphasize the importance of using secure payment methods like Paysafe. Section 5. Common questions and concerns. Frequently asked questions, address common concerns about using Paysafe without a credit card. Customer support, mention the availability of Paysafe's customer support services. Troubleshooting tips, provide guidance on how to resolve potential issues. Section 6. Conclusion. Recap, summarize the key points discussed in the video. Final thoughts, reinforce the fact that using Paysafe without a credit card is possible and convenient. Call to action, encourage viewers to explore Paysafe as a payment option. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, Paysafe offers a flexible and secure way to make online payments, even if you don't have a credit card.